In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a proposal in Proposify. Let's start right at the beginning. Open a fresh browser window and search for Proposify. Typing the product name directly helps you land on the official site quickly. Before you click anything, glance at the URL in the search results and make sure it's the legitimate Proposify domain. It's a good idea to bookmark it so you can return to it easily in the future. Click the top result to head to the site. From there, go ahead and log in. Use your usual company credentials, and if your account uses two-step verification, complete that as well. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or account if your organization has multiple teams. Keeping your login secure is essential, so avoid sharing passwords or saving them on shared computers. Once you're in, navigate to your proposal in the editor. You can access it from your dashboard or recent documents, then open it so you're in the editing view. This is a great moment to sanity check the essentials, titles, pricing, and any required signature fields, so what you send is accurate and ready for your client to review. Before you share, set a link expiry date. This tells Proposify when to stop allowing the client to view the proposal. It's a simple but powerful safeguard. Choose a date that aligns with your approval timeline, and consider time zones if your client is in a different region. If you think the client might need more time, pick a slightly conservative window. You can always adjust later if your workflow allows. Now, click Share via email. Proposify will prepare a secure link to the live proposal rather than attaching a static file. That means you'll benefit from view tracking, version control, and e-signature visibility, all tied to the recipient's access. In the To field, you should see your client's email automatically populated based on the contact you assigned to the proposal. If needed, you can add or edit contacts here and include CC or BCC recipients. Use CC for stakeholders who should be part of the conversation, and BCC only for internal recipients who shouldn't be visible to the client. Double-check spelling and domains to avoid delivery issues, and remove anyone who no longer needs access to keep things clean and compliant. When everything looks right, send the email. You'll see a confirmation animation, and the proposal's status will automatically update to sent. From there, you can keep an eye on activity notifications so you'll know when your client opens the proposal or takes action. That's it. Simple, secure, and professional. Follow these steps each time to streamline your sending process and keep your deals moving smoothly.